A single human sneeze can rocket droplets at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, unleashing a microscopic storm of germs into the air, transforming an ordinary moment into a high-speed spectacle of invisible invaders. These tiny droplets, packed with bacteria and viruses, can hover in the air, creating a hidden network of potential infections. As we move through our daily lives, we're often unaware of the microscopic trauma unfolding around us with each sneeze, turning a simple achoo into a powerful reminder of the unseen world we share. This fleeting act not only clears our nasal passages but also serves as a vivid demonstration of how easily germs can travel and spread, revealing the intricate dance of microorganisms in our environment. Next time you hear a sneeze, remember, it's not just a sound, but a fast-paced journey of invisible travelers.